Unit 10, More Multiplication and Division of Cambridge Primary Mathematics Workbook 3. Welcome to Sad Educare. We are going to start exercise 10.1. Let's get started. The topic is revisiting multiplication and division, which is exercise 10.1. Our first question, complete these rows from the multiplication square. Think about how you can use one row to help you complete another row. So it's a very simple thing, like here is 1 and times 2 it will be 2. 2 times 2 is a 4, 2 times 3 6, then 8, then 10, then 12, then 7. 7 times 2 is a 14, 8 times 2 16, 18 and 20. Okay, very simple. Next 4. 4 times 1 4, 4 times 2 8, 4 times 3 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, then 32, then what, 36 and then 40. So number table 2 and 4 done. And next 8. 8 times 1 is 8, then 16, then 24, then 32, then 40, then 48, 56, 64, 72 and finally 80. This is our first question answer. Second question, use the multiplication grid in question 1 to help you find the numbers in the fact family for 32. Write the fact family. So this 32, we can write 32 equals to 4 times 8. 32 equals to 8 times 4, right? And what can I do? So these kinds of math we can get help from question 1. Like this is 8 and this is 4. Once we multiply, 8 times 4 is a 32. Same thing, here is a 8 and here is a 4 and here is 32. Okay, so 32 we can write 4 times 8 or 8 times 4. So we can get this one 4 time table, also 8 time table. So number 1 and 2 done. Number 3, very interesting question and important question. Extend each sequence. What is the term to term rule for each sequence? Here is 8, here is 12, here is 16, here is 20. So first we have to find out the difference between each other term. Like 16 minus 12 it will be 4, 12 minus 8 it will be 4. Similar, 8 plus 4 is a 12, 12 plus 4 is a 16, 16 plus 4 will be 20. So similar, 20 plus 4 it will be 24. Again 24 plus 4 it will be 28, and 28 plus 4 it will be 32. So we can write in here 24, then 28 and then 32. The term to term rule is 4. Next 26, 31, 36, 41. So what can we do in here? 31 minus 26, look, 31 minus 26, here is a 5, right? Same, 36 minus 31, 36 minus 31, here is a 5. So every time increase 5. So 26, 31, 36, 41, then 46, then 51 and then 56. So every time it will be at 5. The term to term rule is 5. Okay, next 27, 24. So what is the difference? It's a 3, but every time decrease 3. 24 minus 3 it will be 21. 21 minus 3 it will be 18. So minus 3, 15. So here is added, here is add. and 3, then minus 3, it means 12, then minus 3, it's a 9. So subtract what? Subtract by 3. The term to term rule is minus 3, or we can say subtract by 3. Practice. Complete these rows from the multiplication square. Think about how you can use one row to help you complete another row. So this one is a very simple thing. Here is a, if we consider 3 times table, so 3, then 6, then 9, then 12, because 3 times 1 is a 3, 3 times 2 is a 6, 3 times 3 is a 9. So similar, here is a 15, then 18, then 21, then 24, 27, and finally 30. Same thing, 6 times table, so 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, and then 42, then 48, 54, and finally 60. 9, so 9, then 18, then 27, 36, 9 times 5 is a 45, then 9 times 4 is a 54, and then 63, and 72, 81, and finally 90. And so this is the table of 3, 6, and 9. Which 8 numbers are included 4 times in the multiplication grid? So if we consider 1 to 10 time table, so what can we get? So now, which 8 numbers are included 4 times in multiplication grid? So if you consider like this, suppose 6. First we can write suppose 6. This 6 we can write 1 times 6. This 6 we can write 2 times 3, it means 6. This 6 also we can get like 6 times 1, and then 3 times 2, every time also 6. So each 8 numbers are included 4 times in the multiplication grid. So we can write this one like, let's check another number like 8. 8 we can write 1 times 8, 8 times 1, 2 times 4, 4 times 2. So 8 can also be included that numbers. 10 also same, 1 times 10, 10 times 1, 2 times 5, 5 times 2. 12 also, 18, 20, 24, 30 also. 30 how? 3 times 10, 10 times 3, 5 times 6, 6 times 5. So this video I am trying to solve 1 to 5. Next video we will start from number 6, or number 6 we can complete in here. Choose a number that is included in the multiplication grid twice. Write its fact family. So how can we write this one? Fact family of like this. So step by step we think. Choose a number that is included in the multiplication grid twice. Write its fact family. So let's say if we consider this table, I mean, look, here is 18, let's say 18, and here is also 18. Here is come twice. How? Because once you use 3 times table, 3 times 6 is 18, and also once you use 6 times tables, so 6 times 3 also 18. So if you can make fact family like 6 times 3 equals to 18, and 3 times 6 also 18, and if you want you can write 18 divide 6, it will be 3, and 18 divide 3, it will be 6. So it's a very simple thing. This is our fact family. So no more today. This video I'm trying to solve 1 to 6. Next video we will start from challenge of more multiplication and division unit 10. So my channel Sard Educare, where you are getting lots of math based on Cambridge Mathematics Workbook 3. Thank you.